Alyssa, how does it feel to be carrying the flag once again?
Very overwhelmed. I know also for a fact there are a lot of empowered and women na makakasabay ko po sa paglalakad ngayong gabi, and I'm just really inspired to share this with them also, and talagang motivated na talagang magbigay din ng pride and honor sa ating gabi ngayong SEA Games. We're always very proud to wear a barong every SEA Games. Every year naman pag nag-opening, it's always our pride and honor na maging proud talaga na dala-dala natin yung sariling sa atin.
What can you say about this ginawa ng POC to have an all-female athletes parading? What's your reaction to that?
Well, we're very grateful that women in sport is being recognized. I mean, we all know, malami din nagbibigay sa atin ng karangalan, hindi lang sa larangan ng sports sa kababaihan, pero sa men's teams, sa men's teams as well. Pero talagang isang malaking karangalan na nabibigyan kami ng pagkakataon din na ipakita yung galing and pride and honor na binabalik ng mga Pilipinas sa ating bansa. It's really an amazing experience just holding the national, not just wearing it now, but really carrying it. So, iba pa rin, parang it's always the first time whenever you carry the flag. So, talaga sabay-sabay po tayo magdasal na talagang madala natin ang magandang ang bandila natin.
Alyssa, aside from carrying the flag, you will be the team captain dito sa Cambodia. Ano yung inaasahan nyo na ang tagal na bago natin na kukuha yung podium this time? What can you say?
We're always really aiming to give honor and pride to our country by not just representing it, but sana makapagdala tayo ng medalya para sa ating bansa. And hopefully, talagang we've seen the girls really work hard sa training camp, even before the camp. So, tiwala, talagang puso. Ibibigay namin yung lahat para makaganda ang laban this series.
Alyssa, kamusta yung pakiramdam na ang tagal mong hindi nakapaglaro dahil dun sa injury, na silent ka sa Creamline, hindi ka nakapaglaro dun sa ABC, sa ASEAN Grand Prix. Pero ngayon, bigla kang nandito sa Team Philippines. Kamusta yun?
I guess it's really a big responsibility also to be back on court, representing the country, and that's why I really tried to make it a point na talagang mag-double time, and talagang I'm just really thankful and grateful na binibigyan rin naman ng trust ng mga coaches ng buong national team to be part of the team. So, iba rin yung pakiramdam na unang balik ko, Philippine team agad yung lalaroin.